11 kilowatt Danfoss Inverter FC302 in new installation and connection. Install the inverter Danfoss 11 kilowatt. How to connection? This is the input L1, L2, L3. This is the 96, 97, 98 outputs. This is a relay connection, on-off system, relay 1, relay 2. And HMI, operating system. This is the connection plates. Connecting the cable. This is a power line and this earth. This is a thermostat 50 and 54. This is start stop. Again fixed input. Now open the 11 kilowatt vertical pump connection plate and inverter outgoing cable here 10 mm. Now open the connection plate and connect the cable and proper grounding. This is a delta connection.
डेल्टा
A1 B2 के साथ.
दिस इज ए डेल्टा कनेक्शन
B1
A1
A2 के साथ.
A2
C2 C1 के साथ.
C1 C2
A1 B2 के साथ.
केबल
B1 C2 के
10
साथ.
mm
C2 A1 के साथ.
4 core
A2 के साथ.
and connection.
This is a connection.
to 11
Delta.
kilowatt motors.
Inner connection this motor. Now this pump specification, vertical pump 11 kilowatt this pump. Now install the blades and transmission is started. Pump specification. How install the glands? One is a thermostat glands, one is a power line glands. And now pull the cable, push the connection plate inside. Now complete the connection, delta, pull the cable, proper grounding and thermostat connection. Clear is work, nice work, proper delta connection with Danfoss inverters. Allah Hafiz.